Hi, I'm Dawn. This is Hudson Vintage. If you've been around a while, then you know that I talk about vintage and vintage style a lot. And this week it was supposed to be the big pop-up sale, but I got sidetracked by friend mail. And the friend mail was so good. I opened it up and it was a big, probably 10-pound box. And I want to share it with you. I want to share the wealth. Since it was a friend mail and it came from a friend of the channel, what I want to do is give some of it away and I want to sell some of it. So there's audience participation involved. This is what I want you to do. I want you to click subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already a public subscriber, then you are entered into the giveaway. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe publicly if you want to be entered in the giveaway. I would like to include everyone, but if you don't have public information, then I can't see your information and I can't enter you. And what I'm going to do is wait until I have 5,000 subscribers. And when I have 5,000 subscribers, who's ever public is automatically entered. And what I want you to do is comment and let me know if you think I should make groups and just give it to like 5 people, or if I should just individually send out whatever I have to as many people as that takes. You know, so it could be a really big giveaway where lots of people get a little thing, or it could be, 5 people get a box of things. So let me know what you think it is that I should do. And also, if you want to buy something, then email me at hudsonvintage@me.com. This is going to be for sale, so you'll get dibs. So everything is going to be really reasonably priced because Google sells advertising for this. So when you watch videos on YouTube, you're paying for that with your eyes. And I want to give back to you for that. But keep in mind that I also want to support myself and grow a business and grow a channel and give back to the people that participate in the channel. But they will be very reasonable if you do want to buy something. And there's a lot of really beautiful things in here. So click like, subscribe, ring the bell. Also, you can contact me on Instagram and Facebook. I am Hudson Vintage over there. And there's a Patreon if you want to join the Patreon group. I got these from a woman. I bought these last week from somebody in the Patreon group. It's a fabulous group. And thank you so much for watching. Next week definitely is the pop-up. So stay tuned for that. Ring the bell so that you're notified when I make a new video. The algorithm loves it when we do that. And if we feed the algorithm, then I get to give away more things. So keep that in mind. Subscribe, click like, ring the bell, turn on your notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Here's the box. Okay, so this is my first try of ever doing anything like this. And I am so excited to be doing this. I cannot even tell you. So these little boxes all came in kind of the top. This is a box inside here. Let's just open this one. Let's just start. Okay, it's upside down. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's a carved shell. It's an unmounted, oh, okay. It's a carved shell Cameo, unmounted. Look at that. She's playing a harp or a lyre. Okay, that's just the first thing. Friend mail. Friend mail. Is there anything else in here? Oh, there's another one. Oh my God. 2-person Cameo in profile. Forgive me. Look. Let's do this one. Ooh. Oh, this is the original box. Case by Zell. Probably recognize it when I see it. Oh, this is lovely. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This was friend mail. It says USA. Turn. Look at this beautiful compact in its original box. Oh my God. Oh my God. I have no words. Oh my goodness. Okay. Friend mail. My mind is sufficiently blown. I'm probably just going to be blabbering on now. because nothing like this has ever happened to me before. Where's the lid? Oh, okay, all right. The lid. Show these, let's look at these purses. Okay, so here's the first purse with that hand beaded metal. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, look, the original mirror, the original cellulose mirror. We have this in silver mesh. All the little balls are still there, every ball. And then look at the engraving. Wow, okay, let's see what it says. There's the marking right there. Yep, German silver. There's a hallmark. Oh, okay. Touchstone crystal by Swarovski. Ooh, okay. Ooh, this is old. This looks like 70s. Look at this big kind of silver tone cross. Oh my God, this is an ultrafari. This is so wonderful. I would put this on a thick cord. This is really beautiful. This I'm going to be selling. Is there anything else? Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Okay. So there's a little poodle. We'll give him away. And then what is this? Oh, these are dress clips. Look at these carved faux coral dress clips. Oh, these are so nice. Okay. These I'll be giving away. What's this? Oh, it's just like another dress clip. It's sort of geometric. I'll give that away. Oh, look, it's a set of poodles. Poodle scatter pins. Look, a rooster with a red tail. All right, this is exciting. So you know what? I'm going to give this all away. I'm going to share the wealth. Oh, oh my. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my God. Look at this. Can you see that? That's an old carved cameo. So, and then it looks like it's in a Florenza brooch. I know that Florenza did that. Oh yeah, it says it. Oh, another, oh my God, look at this. This is old. This is set in sterling. Look at this, guys. Look at the back. Okay, I'll sell that. This is like a little costume faux coral with this little gold shell. Oh my God, what is this? Look at this. Look at that. Look at the side of it. Oh my God. This looks real. Oh my God. I can't believe this is friend mail. This is incredible. Oh, it's a little one. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my God. Look. Look at her. She's got the little ring clasp. Ooh. 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 Oh, okay, so we know what this is. This is one of those military pins. This is like the eagle with the stars. That's fun. I can make that part of it. Oh, look, the other rooster. There's two roosters. This is the scatter pin. The rooster. Oh my God, there's another one in here. Ooh, what's this? These are beautiful. Ooh, these have interesting Omega backs. Look at that. I haven't seen that. Ooh, this is cool. This is signed. It says Coro. Oh, what nice coral earrings. Look how beautiful these are. Look, oh my. Oh my. Oh my. There's big things in here. These are big. And there's a little purse. Little copper bangle. That's pretty. Okay. And you take a better look at this purse. I mean, seriously. What is the motif? It's an owl? Oh my God. It's an owl on a grapevine. Look at the back of that. And that the suede is still in there. This is magnificent. I will sell this. whoever wants that. Ooh, we have a giant hat pin. That's fantastic with the keeper. Oh, it got a little bent. The keeper's still on it. Oh, and the heart comes off it, so you could use just the feathers or just the heart. That's fantastic. Okay, what is it? Ooh, this is cool. I've seen things like this before. Oh God, I love this. Okay, it's got a little bit of the greenies. Look at the clasp. That's wonderful. I love that. That's like a book chain. This is cool. I'll sell that. I hope I find the other one of these. This is, you know, Violet's Pansies, my favorite. And then we have a necklace and bracelet set with the beads on leather. That's wonderful. Look at that. That's like an ankh. This looks like it's old Kim Craft. Now that I think about it, this looks like Kim Craft too. So these are probably Kim Craft. These are wonderful. I will give these away. I think I'll give these away together. This is beautiful. I love this. I think this is silver or silver plated. I have to check it. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this ring with the baubles. I think this is silver. It fits. How nice is that? Yep, it's marked sterling. Beautiful. I will sell that. Ooh, then we have this plastic with the inset rhinestones. This is like a modern version of forbidden fruit. It's gorgeous. Oh, this is so nice. Oh God, look at this big cross with the onyx in the center. It has a marking. That's wonderful. I will sell that. What is this? Oh, it's a big black earring. Oh, these are fun. Love that. Let's see if there's another one. Oh, another rooster. This person really likes roosters. I wonder what it is about roosters that they like. Look at that painted. This is like that silver filigree. This is old enamel. Oh, look at the size of this one. Look at that. Oh, I love it. What is she doing? Oh, she's looking in the mirror. Amazing. Oh, serpents with black rhinestones. Love. Another rooster. Ooh, this one's cool. This one's like Chinese motif. Wonderful. Oh, here we have some kind of 1940s silver. Ooh, this looks important. Let me see what this says. Oh, it's Forstner. Okay, this is Forstner silver, circa 1940s, this pendant. This is wonderful. I'll sell that. All right, look at this. This curbling bracelet with the, I can't think anymore because I'm too excited. This pool of light type of crystal fob charm. Then we have another ankh. This is that pewter kind of Celtic, Irish, touristy thing. What does it say? I think it says something. It says something. I can't make it out. But anyway, that's a really nice Celtic cross. Ooh, look at this one. Oh God, this is great too. I love the chain that it's on. Okay. How great is that? I'll sell that. I don't know. Oh. Can you see that? Look how beautiful that is. That is a pendant watch, old with marcasites on the pin, on the original pin. Look at the back. Celtic cross. Okay, so here's all the crosses. Ooh, this one we haven't looked at yet. It's another ankh. This is so cool. Very brutalist. Princess Casserole, if you're watching, look how brutalist that is. Yeah, maybe I'll send that to you if you want it, if you like that. Oh, and then we have this one. Yeah, let me know, Carla, if you want it. I'll send it to you. Got to share the wealth. And then, are there any other crosses that I missed? No? Okay, what is this? Ooh, okay, this is so me. Look at this. This is one of those chatelaine type brooches with the chains attached. It's the hand and the fleur-de-lis. Okay, that's fantastic. We'll give that one away. And the other things, oh, we didn't show this. This is why I left this out. Look at this. This Nefertiti, Queen Nefertiti. Oh, I have friends that I know would absolutely love this. Look, this is old, like 1970s. This looks like it's low carat gold or sterling. You can see I've been watching Carla. I've been learning the moves, Carla. We have 2 chandelier elements I'm looking at without hooks. Oh no, they do have hooks. Oh my God, my friend, male friend. I love them. I just love the shape of them. And that 70s color, that 70s gold. Love this. And then here's the jump rings. So it could be off a chain like that, or you could do something else. Okay, let's keep going. Here's one.